What if I told you there's food in your kitchen right now that could still be safe to eat a century from now? Imagine opening a jar or can that's been sitting on a shelf for decades and finding it still perfectly edible. It might sound unbelievable, but some foods are designed to last far longer than we ever expect. It sounds wild, but it's true. There are everyday items hiding in your pantry that can outlast almost anything else in your home, defying time and even the harshest conditions. My name is Zach, and I've spent years learning how to be ready for anything, especially when it comes to food security. From natural disasters to unexpected shortages, I've made it my mission to understand which foods you can truly rely on when it matters most. Today, I'll show you the ultimate guide to foods that never expire, how to store them properly, and the science behind why they last so long. You'll learn tips and tricks to keep your food fresh for decades and discover which staples are worth stocking up on. Whether you're prepping for emergencies, building a long-term food supply, or just want to stop wasting food and save money, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and unlock the secrets of foods that truly stand the test of time. First up, baking soda, a true pantry powerhouse. As long as it's kept dry, it lasts indefinitely and never spoils. It's not just for baking, use it for cleaning, brushing teeth, putting out small fires, or even gardening. For long-term storage, transfer it to airtight containers to keep out moisture and odors. It's cheap, versatile, and essential for any prepper. Stock up and store it right. Pure maple syrup, nature's liquid gold, can last forever if unopened. Its high sugar content keeps bacteria and mold away. Even if it crystallizes or forms surface mold, just skim, heat, and reuse. Store in jugs or cans in a cool, dark place for a morale-boosting treat that never goes bad. Real syrup is a survival luxury worth having. Dried pasta is a true survival staple, almost immortal if you keep it dry and protected from the elements. It's one of the most reliable foods you can store for the long term, making it a favorite among preppers and home cooks alike. Unlike fresh pasta, which spoils quickly, dried pasta can last for decades when stored properly. Its shelf life is impressive, making it a dependable choice for building up your emergency food reserves. Dried pasta is incredibly versatile and filling. It comes in countless shapes and sizes, and packs a lot of calories into a small space. Whether you're making a simple meal or a hearty feast, pasta fits the bill. For best results, transfer your pasta to airtight buckets or mylar bags with oxygen absorbers. This keeps out air, moisture, and pests, ensuring your pasta stays fresh for years to come. Pasta is affordable, easy to store, and absolutely essential for any well-stocked emergency pantry. It's a simple way to guarantee you'll always have a meal on hand. Remember, moisture is the enemy. Even a little humidity can ruin your stash, so always keep pasta in a cool, dry place. Stock up, store smart, and enjoy peace of mind, knowing you're prepared for anything. Corn syrup gets a bad rap, but it's a survival champ. Its high sugar content means it never spoils. Just keep it sealed and cool. Use it for baking, quick energy, or as a sweetener when sugar is scarce. It's easy to store and lasts a lifetime. Add a bottle or two to your pantry for a reliable sugar source. Ghee is a type of clarified butter, made by gently simmering butter until the water evaporates and the milk solids separate. These solids are then removed, leaving behind pure golden fat. This process makes ghee shelf-stable for years, even without refrigeration, and gives it a unique nutty aroma and flavor. Ghee is perfect for high-heat cooking because it has a much higher smoke point than regular butter or most oils. It adds a rich, deep flavor to any dish, from sautéed vegetables to fried eggs, and can even be used in baking or drizzled over popcorn. To keep ghee fresh for the long term, store it in airtight jars and place them in a cool, dark spot in your pantry. Proper storage helps preserve its quality and flavor for months or even years. You can easily buy ghee at most grocery stores, but making your own is simple. Just simmer unsalted butter, skim off the foam, and strain out the solids for pure homemade ghee. Ghee is a calorie-dense, nutrient-rich fat that's ideal for long-term storage, making it a smart addition to any prepper's emergency food supply. Compared to regular butter, ghee lasts much longer and doesn't require refrigeration, making it a true survival upgrade for your kitchen or emergency stash. Raw honey is legendary. It's been found edible in ancient tombs. Its acidity, low moisture, and natural hydrogen peroxide keep it from spoiling. Crystallized honey? Just warm it gently, never microwave. It's not just food. Use it for energy, wound care, or soothing a sore throat. Always buy raw, unfiltered honey for your stockpile. It's a true survival superfood. White rice is the backbone of survival pantries worldwide. With the oils removed, it lasts 30+ years if kept dry and sealed. It's versatile, calorie-dense, and expands when cooked. Store in mylar bags with oxygen absorbers inside buckets for best results. Brown rice spoils quickly. Stick to white for long-term storage. Rice is cheap, filling, and stretches your food supply. Make it a pantry priority. Salt never expires. It's a mineral, not a food. It's essential for preserving meat, fish, and veggies, and for your body's health. Any pure salt works, just avoid blends with spices. Store in airtight containers to prevent clumping. Salt is cheap, compact, and absolutely vital for survival. Don't overlook it. Sugar is another forever food. Bacteria can't survive in it. Keep it sealed and dry, and it'll last indefinitely. Use it for quick energy, baking, or preserving fruit. White sugar is the most stable. Brown sugar may harden but can be softened. Store in airtight containers to keep out moisture and pests. Sugar is a survival essential. Soy sauce lasts for years thanks to its salt and fermentation. Even opened, it keeps for ages and makes bland food taste great. Buy glass bottles, store cool and dark, and enjoy the umami boost. It's a small item that makes a big difference in morale. Add it to your forever pantry. White and apple cider vinegar are nearly immortal. Acidity keeps them safe. Used for pickling, cleaning, or even minor wound care. Vinegar preserves food, adds flavor, and is a natural disinfectant. Store in large jugs in a cool, dark place. It's cheap, versatile, and a must-have for any prepper. Stock up for kitchen and cleaning needs. Spirits like vodka, rum, and whiskey never spoil. Alcohol preserves them. They're not just for drinking. Use as antiseptic cleaner or barter. High-proof, unflavored liquors are best for storage and utility. Store upright in a cool, dark place. Avoid liqueurs with cream or sugar, they'll spoil. A few bottles can be invaluable in an emergency. Liquor is a prepper's secret weapon. Powdered milk is the answer when fresh dairy is gone. Non-fat versions last 20+ years if kept dry and sealed. Reconstitute for drinking, baking, or adding to recipes. Store in small, airtight packages for best results. It's a nutritional game changer for long-term emergencies. Don't skip it. Bouillon cubes are flavor bombs that last for years. Add to rice, beans, or water for instant broth and a morale boost. Their high salt and low moisture keep them shelf-stable. Store in foil and airtight containers to protect from humidity. They're compact, cheap, and make survival food taste better. Essential for fighting food fatigue. Instant coffee is a morale booster that lasts decades. Freeze-dried granules stay fresh if kept dry and sealed. The ritual of coffee brings comfort and energy in tough times. Store in cans, jars, or single-serve packets for convenience. Even non-drinkers can use it for barter. Coffee is more than a drink. It's survival fuel. Dried beans are protein powerhouses that last 30+ years. Pair with rice for a complete protein and endless meal options. Store in mylar bags or buckets with oxygen absorbers. Freeze before storing to kill insect eggs. Beans are cheap, filling, and essential for any prepper. They're the foundation of a survival diet. Stock up and store smart. Lentils are speedy, nutritious, and last for decades. They cook faster than beans, saving fuel and time. Packed with protein and fiber, they're perfect for soups or stews. Store like beans, airtight, cool, and dry. Lentils are ideal for both home and bug-out bags. Add them to your pantry for quick, hearty meals. Pure vanilla extract never spoils thanks to its alcohol base. It adds comfort and flavor to survival foods. Just a few drops make a difference. Only buy real extract, not imitation. Store in its original glass bottle, cool and dark. It's a small luxury that boosts morale. Vanilla is a forever flavor. All-purpose white flour lasts 10-15 years if stored right. It's the key to baking bread, pancakes, and more in an emergency. Store in mylar bags with oxygen absorbers inside buckets. Avoid whole wheat flour, it spoils quickly. Flour is a foundation for self-sufficiency. Build your stockpile with it. Hardtack is the original survival bread, just flour, water, and salt. Baked until rock hard, it lasts over a century if kept dry. Soak in coffee or soup to eat or crumble into stews. It's not fancy, but it's pure survival fuel. Make your own at home for cheap, long-lasting calories. Store airtight and rodent-proof. Pemmican is the ultimate survival food, dried meat and fat, sometimes with berries. Properly made, it lasts 50+ years and packs huge calories. It fueled explorers and warriors for centuries. Making it takes skill, but it's worth learning for true self-sufficiency. No refrigeration needed, just store cool and dry. Pemmican is the final boss of survival foods. There you have it, 21 foods that can outlast us all. Start small, add a few to your next shopping trip and build your pantry over time. This isn't about fear, it's about freedom and peace of mind. What's your number one long-lasting food? Let me know in the comments. Like and subscribe for more survival tips. Stay prepared, stay smart, and I'll see you next time.